Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can justify texts in your Figma projects. So let us get started. Head over to Figma, access your project. So let me go with this untitled website project here. So let me zoom into that text box here to show you in detail how a justified alignment might look like. So in the first step, guys, left click into the given text box to select it. After that, double click into it to select the text, or simply highlight the part of the text box you would like to apply a justified alignment for. So let me go with the entire text box, just like that. So what you want to do after that, guys, is take a look at that customization panel here to the right. And here under typography, you will see that section alignment with these alignment options, a left, centered, and right alignment. So if you'd like to apply a justified alignment, guys, you will need to click into these advanced settings or type settings here to the right. And here from that panel, guys, to the right here under alignment, you will see the justified alignment. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-J. You will see the preview here at the top. So if you click on it, the justified alignment will be applied, as you can see. So you can switch between these alignments and select the one you like. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.